This is problem number 18 from the August 2014 Algebra Regents exam. This one's fairly straightforward. We need to find the zeros, or the x-intercepts of this function, x plus 2 squared minus 25. And in order to do that, we're going to, let me try that again. X plus 2 squared minus 25. So to find the zeros, we're going to set this whole function equal to 0 and solve for x. Now I noticed that conveniently these are both perfect squares, right? We could square root both of these. What I'm going to do is move the minus 25 over to the other side, and then I can square root both sides of this equation without changing it. So next we would have x plus 2 on the left-hand side, and then the square root of 25 is 5. Or negative 5. You gotta be careful there. Remember, when we square root a number, you get two options, the positive and negative version of the square root. So we have two different options, possibilities here. X plus 2 could equal 5, or x plus 2 could equal negative 5. And this one, we would get a solution of x is equal to 3, and this one, x would equal negative 5 minus 2, and that would be negative 7. So there we go. We found our roots, 3 and negative 7, which is option number 4. By the way, another way we could have solved this is to notice that this is an example of a difference of squares. And so the factored form would be x plus 2 plus 5 and x plus 2 minus 5. Sorry, that's kind of hard to see there. And then in the end, you would end up getting the exact same answers. If you set both of these equal to 0, you'd end up getting x equals 3 and x equals negative 7. So just wanted to let you know there's a couple of different ways of doing this one. And that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.